And I've been on an 8-day guided hiking tour with Footfalls Walking Holidays. This is my second year of doing this, and I think the best thing about Footfalls trips is just the variety. Every day in a very small space on this island, Christopher manages to find the most breathtaking scenery, fantastic history, quaint villages, great food, and we're just having the best time. I would just, to anyone who's considering Footfalls, I'd just say, do it.
Okay, what I'd like to say about Footfalls is don't just go with Footfalls for the wonderful, gorgeous hikes, fantastic views, the absolutely really best rooms ever, and great food, wonderful restaurant recommendations. We ate great food, wonderful fresh fish, all of it. Don't just go for that. Really go for the great leader and the good company, because that'll do more for your heart even than all the exercise. So go with Footfalls.
And it was wonderful. I was welcomed. I had a wonderful time. We always had something amazing to do, even when life got in the way. So if a wall came down or a cable car wasn't working, Plan B was just as great as Plan A. I would highly recommend Footfalls Walking Tours if you want to see amazing parts of Ireland that other tourists miss.
One of my highlights, I don't know if I had just one highlight, I think it was just wonderful doing the hiking through the, well, it was exactly what I expected of Ireland, and except for I expected rain, and we had no rain, so it was just wonderful. The highlights, though, were really the people on the tour. It was just wonderful getting to know everybody and sort of the feed off of that excitement of everybody on the tour. Christopher was really supportive. I think he's kind of set the tone for the tour, so everybody just had a great time. It was great to be part of.
Hello, Sherry Martz from Austin, Texas. I want to give 2 thumbs up, bing, for Footfalls. It's been an amazing adventure. I've fallen in love with Ireland. Christopher has been a lot of fun. Gotten to know him a little better, and he's a great guy, and we've totally enjoyed ourselves. I would absolutely recommend this trip. All right.
And I am on a Footfalls walking tour here in Ireland. We are close to the city of Dingle, and we are in a bog. My highlight was a walk we went through Killarney National Park. And this happened actually as a result of a road being closed and an itinerary change. Anyways, I would like to highly recommend Footfalls Walking Tours. It's been a fabulous, fabulous trip.
Say your name to begin with.
Oh, David Kipling from Canada. Okay, oh yes, listen, even the sheep know Chris's name. Wherever we've been, the people have said, "Hi Chris," he knows them, they know him. Great guy to deal with. You get the real thing from Chris. And I'm standing, we've done 14 kilometres up and down, fantastic climbing country, wonderful air. Throughout it, he's been the man. So I would keep it very simple. Chris is the man. Cheers.
My favorite thing about this trip to Ireland and the Footfalls holiday is the diversity in things that we saw every day. Such incredible scenery each and every day that was quite different. I would say that Christopher was fun and big-hearted, and it was a great trip.
And so I'd say the best part of the trip for me so far has been actually a day where we did Plan B. We were supposed to do a long day where it was a road walk, and we ended up not being able to do that because the road was closed. And so we did a Plan B, which was a long hike, but it was absolutely gorgeous being up on top of the mountains and just how green it was, and there was a secret waterfall along the way. So one thing I'd say about the company is they always have a plan A, B, and C. So no matter what happens, you're going to have a good time. And highly recommend the trip because it's been absolutely amazing. And no matter who's in your group, they'll customize the day and how fast you go and how far you go based on the abilities of whoever's in the group. So no worries about that. Can't recommend it enough.
Letitia from Austin, Texas. This has been stunning, beautiful, delightful, seamless. I would tell you that today was my favorite day, but every day is different and wonderful and enchanted in different ways. So highly recommend going on a Footfalls tour. It is one of the best experiences of my life.
I'm Markham Martz from Austin, Texas, USA. My favorite part about the trip is just waking up and going downstairs to eat breakfast, and then after that we hike pretty much all day. Then we come back and eat and pretty much do whatever you want. This hiking tour is fun. You get to meet a lot of cool people and pretty much get to hang out with them a lot. And Christopher, our guide, is really cool. He's funny a lot of the time too.
Hi there, this is Sandy calling to you from the beautiful island of Ireland. It truly is the Emerald Isle. And this trip has been absolutely enhanced to immeasurable amounts by taking a Footfalls hiking walking tour with Chris, Teresa, and his son, who we haven't had a chance to meet yet, but is also a part of this wonderful group of people who bring strangers to their wonderful homeland and show them the beauty of Ireland. They've been doing this now for 25 years and they're absolutely brilliant at it. It is laid back, you don't feel rushed or pressured. Chris has just a fantastic sense of humor. He has us laughing every single day. He goes out of his way to make sure we're all enjoying ourselves and having a grand time. And he is able to provide a plan B when plan A doesn't happen, no fault of his. But he always has something else, and it's just fantastic, the things that we have enjoyed to do. And he does bring us together as a group. He keeps us healthy and happy, well fed and watered. So yes, if anyone is thinking about coming to Ireland, you really do need to get out of the city. You need to see some of this gorgeous land, and I would highly recommend Footfalls to do that.
I have been on an amazing Footfalls hiking tour with owner and guide Christopher. And you know what, for the last week, I must say the highlight of my trip has been the constant beautiful scenery. I challenged people in our group to show me a scenery that was not beautiful, and after 8 days have not seen anything that is not beautiful. The countryside is amazing, the open skies are beautiful, the people that we spent time with, and Christopher himself. I cannot say enough about Christopher. He is funny, he challenges us to go beyond our limits in a good way, and he has set out the most beautiful walking paths for us to experience. If you are considering seeing Ireland, I highly recommend Footfalls hiking tours. Check it out.